This illustration deals with receptacle outlets existing or installed as permanent wiring in accordance now with 590.6A as in Apple II. Now, notice to the left of the illustration, with an arrow pointing toward the receptacle, notice that all 125 volt single phase 15, 20, and 30 amp receptacles shall be GFCI protected. So this is in accordance with 590.6A as in Apple II. But if I should, as an electrician, want to plug in to an existing receptacle with a hand tool, as you see in the illustration, or maybe an extension cord plugged in, a hand tool plugged into the extension cord, then that receptacle has to be GFCI protected, or in accordance with NFPA 70B, Chapter 13, I could have a portable GFCI located where I cord and plug connected into that extension cord, or I could have an extension cord to the right top-hand side of the illustration with a GFCI located within 12 inches of the attachment cap. Now, notice that is 590.4B and C. B is in car, or excuse me, B is in boy and C is in car. But notice it's an extension cord, 590.6A1. Now, notice that that extension cord could be plugged in to a receptacle that's GFCI protected, and the system is GFCI protected. But if that is a regular receptacle, as permitted, maybe inside the building or whatever, or it's on the outside for rules come in that require GFCI protection, I would need a portable GFCI, or I would need that extension cord with a GFCI located within 12 inches of it. But I would need a GFCI protection. And we show an extension cord, an attachment cap, equipped with a GFCI protected device. We're saying is permitted if there's not a GFCI receptacle located, as you see there, on the surface of the building or inside the building, depending where we're pulling maintenance, whatever we may be doing. So this figure 10-39 just illustrates these receptacle outlets that are existing or installed as permanent wiring in accordance with NEC 590.6A2, and when this GFCI protection is required for construction, remodeling, demolition, repairing, maintenance, whatever the tasks might be, the work task I'm talking about, whatever that task may be.